Welcome to Understanding Tech, your go-to guide for mastering the future of B2B sales. Yesterday, we mapped out the sales architecture for 2026. Today, we're diving into Pillar 1, Deep Data. If you're still thinking lead generation is about buying a list from Apollo and blasting out emails, it's time to rethink your approach. In the world of high-ticket B2B, the real value isn't in collecting names and emails. The gold is in understanding intent. I'm going to show you how to zero in on the 1% of your market that's actually ready to buy, so you can stop wasting energy on the 99% who aren't interested. Let's talk strategy. Most lead generation focuses on identity, who someone is, their title, their company. But identity alone doesn't tell you who needs what you're selling. Intent where the magic happens. Intent tells you why someone might need your solution right now. For example, if you're selling AI services, don't just search for CEOs in your target industry. Look for CEOs whose companies have just posted a job opening for a digital transformation manager. That's a clear signal they have a budget and a pressing problem. Platforms like Clay, you can track these intent signals across more than 50 data providers at once. You're not just building a list anymore. You're building a radar that picks up on the signals that matter. Now, technical and see how this works in real time. Imagine you're targeting fintech companies with 50 to 200 employees. Inside Clay, you can set up a workflow to scrape LinkedIn for these companies. Here's where the strategic layer comes in. Add a column that taps into the Google Search API to check if these companies have been mentioned in news articles about security breaches or scaling challenges in the last 30 days. Then, you add 3.5 prompt inside your Clay table to summarize the relevant news for each company. What you end up with isn't just a cold list, it's a set of warm entry points. You know exactly what problem the company is facing before you even reach out. Move from being just another solicitor, positioning yourself as the solution they've been searching for. If you want to win in high-ticket B2B sales, you have to stop playing the numbers game and start solving real problems for real people at the perfect moment. For today's asset, I've compiled a list of the top 20 intent signals for 2026. These are the triggers you should be watching for if you want to find high-paying clients who are ready to buy. You'll find the link in the description. Tomorrow, we'll move on to Pillar 2, Cognitive Personalization. I'll show you how to use AI to craft personalized emails that make even the busiest CEO feel like you've spent hours researching their company. If you want to keep building your sales advantage, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for the next step in your B2B mastery.